you do have a choice when it comes to how to make more money with your auto repair business. Are you going to choose right? Let's see. Hey, it's Ron Ipach. Thanks for watching the channel. Now today, I'm going to be your special genie, and I'm going to grant you one wish, and I'm going to give you 3 choices when it comes to making more money with your auto repair business. First choice, number 1, is I'm going to grant you 20% more car count plus that ever elusive tech to do all that extra work. Number 2, I'm going to magically raise your prices by a whopping 20%. And number 3, I'm going to raise your margin by only 5%. Now let's take a look at each one of these choices. Do you have a choice yet? If not, hang on to the end of this video and it'll be abundantly clear to you. Now, before we get into it, let's lay a little ground rules here for the math that I'm going to be using. Let's say your shop is doing $700,000 per year and you have an average ticket of around $500. Pretty standard, kind of average. You might be higher, you might be lower, but hey, I got to use some numbers, right? Now, if we divide that $700,000 in sales by the $500 average ticket, that shows us that we have 1,400 cars coming into the shop during the year. And let's say, for sake of an argument, you're doing 10% in net profit. Now, that's higher than the average shop, but hey, it's a nice round number and it's going to make the math really, really easy. So let's dive into these choices. Choice number 1. I'm going to give you 20% more car count plus that elusive technician to handle all that extra work. Now, if we're going to get 20% more car count, that means that we're going to get an additional 280 cars into the shop over the next year. Now, at $500 for the average ticket, that means we're going to get $140,000 extra sales this year. Now, unfortunately, we got to pay for that tech. The genie is not paying for that technician. You have to pay that technician out of those additional sales. Now, for sake of argument, let's just say that technician is going to cost you about $50,000 a year. Now, by the time we pay for the taxes, maybe some benefits, some extra things you throw in, signing bonuses, let's say he's going to cost you about $65,000. Now, $65,000, unfortunately, has got to come out of those additional new sales, and that takes our adjusted sales down to $75,000. Now, remember, this shop is doing 10% net profit, so 10% of that $75,000 in additional sales equals $7,500 in actual profit. Okay, so if this was your choice, congratulations. That wish I just granted to you made you an extra $7,500. Not too shabby, right? So choice number 2 is we're going to raise your prices magically overnight, pixie dust flying through the air. We're going to raise them by 20%. Now let's take a look at what this does for your business. Okay, now remember our average ticket was $500. Now we're going to be 20% higher. Now it's going to be $600 for every one of those 1,400 cars that come through the door. We're not getting additional cars. We're just adding an extra $100 to each one of those tickets on average of the cars that come through your door. That means it's an additional sales of $140,000. Now remember, we're at a 10% net profit, so 10% of that $140,000 in additional sales means that this choice number 2, is now worth $14,000 to you. Not bad at all. I think that's even a better decision than number 1 because you don't have to hire another tech and you don't have to work on additional cars. But now we've almost doubled the amount of money you get to take home. But remember, there were 3 decisions here. So let's go on to decision number 3, which is to raise your margins by only 5%. Now, it doesn't sound really exciting, but let's do the math, okay? Now, remember, our shop is doing $700,000 in sales, but that additional 5% in net bottom line profit equals $35,000. So that means a bottom line increase of $35,000. I don't know about you, but this may be the better decision. So let's go ahead and compare all 3 of these decisions, okay? Because you do have a choice. You can get more car count and that elusive tech that you've been looking for, but only net $7,500 in this instance. Or you can raise your prices by 20% and net $14,000. But if you work hard and really start working the numbers and really focus on the bottom line income, which after all, that's what you're in business to do, that's going to put an extra $35,000 in your pocket. I don't know about you, but the choice seems pretty clear. Hey, before we go, if you got good value out of this video, please do me a big favor, and it's really going to help the channel out a lot. Go down below this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you get notified every time I release another one of these videos. If you do that, I would really appreciate it. And look, it'll get me more excited to make the next video and get it to you. Thanks for watching.